Vern, you would not believe where I'm at on my birthday. I'm at 161st Street picking up Gary's ass because he got into some shit. I'm done with these street niggas, alright? I was ready, alright? I got my shimmer shirt on, I got my eyelashes done, I got my face beat, and this nigga wanna go ahead and get locked up. Me trying to tell his ass, I'm like, yo, Gary, you know what I'm saying? You 47 years old, you ain't moving smooth like laxatives no more. Niggas ain't loyal, you need to hang that shit up. Making it very fucking clear for you right now, you know what I'm saying? I want a cornball. I want a nigga that presses his jeans with them square leather ugly ass shoes that shows up on time. I want the nigga that's gonna be the deacon at the church. Gonna do the electric slide with me at family reunions. A nigga that ain't shy. Help me, God, Vern. Yo, if I get with another street nigga, slap this. No, just come shoot me, Vern. Come kill me. I can't do this shit no more, man. Only issue I have with a cornball is I don't know if I get moist off of a cornball. I be looking at them shoes like,